Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Algorand. Had to cover it because it has been super bullish in the last, what is it? In the last night, at least in my time zone. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. Now, hopefully you don't hear my coffee machine in the background, but we'll do a full update, all right? We'll talk about what's going on. We'll talk about the technicals mainly. That's what I specialize in, I would say. But of course, I mean, to know what's going on with the price, you also need to know a little bit about what's going on fundamentally, all right? So we'll talk about that as well. And hopefully at the end of the video, you have a full idea of what's going on. Now, first of all, I'm not a huge Algorand fan, all right? I don't have anything against it. I just know, and I want to cover myself for that. I just know that there's a significant community around Algorand who know a ton about the project, and I will not know more than you, all right? However, I do think that I can add value in interpreting the news and interpreting the fundamentals right now, which are leading the price in terms of and in relation to the price. And my whole browser is lagging right now, so you have to give me some time. First of all, fundamentally, Algorand has grown quite a lot this year. You can see oh no, excuse me, wow. That's the total market. All of a sudden I saw billions. But no, if you look at the total value locked of Algorand, to start off with that briefly, I know that those are not the most relevant fundamentals at this moment. And my laptop is very, very slow. But I did want to start off with this, so hopefully we can. What I expect is that over the last 7 days, we have grown quite a lot, all right? Especially over the last day, you can see a lot of increases on the major decentralized applications on Algorand. So that's great. Short-term, network is doing great. Now, what's even more bullish is the news we got for HBAR, all right? Because HBAR or Blackrock is tokenizing their MMF on Hedera with ARCX, which ARCX is the main link. In general, there's some correlation between Hedera and Algorand, but ARCX is also working with Algorand, as far as I know. So that creates two things. First of all, due to that direct correlation, it's bullish. Second of all, it also creates some sort of an expectation that maybe, I mean, BlackRock is tokenizing quite a lot. Maybe Algorand is next. So those are the most relevant fundamentals, I would say. Here you can see the total value locked. You can see there's been some increases in the last, at least since October, there's been a lot of increases. Last week as well, a lot. So fundamentally, Algorand is very bullish right now. And obviously a lot of people jumped on the HBAR train yesterday, including myself. So then people are looking for a beta, and Algorand is the main beta. So that's what we saw over the last 8 hours or so. A ton of momentum and a ton of money is being pumped into Algo. Now, that's bullish and bearish, all right? You can see that spot buyers are still holding their position, so that's still relatively bullish. We still have a ton of momentum, so that's bullish as well. However, I mean, this is based on quite a lot of news and hype, all right? And that's fine, that's good. However, you do need relatively bullish market circumstances to keep up those price levels after news and hype. And I would say that Bitcoin right now is bullish, but it's not super strong, all right? So when the market is not super strong, news can be great, but it can also be a pump and dump. So that's what we have to see right now, all right? Technically, we just hit this major resistance level around 25 cents. If we really want to be bullish, as you can see right here as well, that's the main level to break. If we really want to get to 28.5 cents, and well, no, 28.5 cents really is the main target. If we want to get there, we need to break above 25 cents. And at this moment, we're rejecting quite hard. So what I would say right now, what I think is most likely for Algo is I think it's most likely that we will find support at the support level right here between 22.5 cents and 21.5 cents. Psychological level, multiple Fibonacci levels, retest of this trend line, 200 EMA, super strong. But what I think is most likely is that we will find support there, but that we will consolidate on top of that. And I think the next movements and the next breakout we'll get, which is either a bearish breakout below 21 cents or a breakout above 25 cents, which would be ideal, I think that will depend on the market. And I hate to say that, but this news is great. It really is, and it's bullish, and I think Algorand is doing great with this, and I think in the future we can get some great news as well. I do want to stress that, but looking at this initial reaction in combination with the market, which is, like I said, it's bullish, but there's not a lot of volume, I just don't think it's most likely that this rally will continue. I think we'll find support here. Like I said, this is technically a very strong support level, but I don't think the momentum is there to push through and to rally higher after finding support there. So this is what I think is most likely. Consolidation between 24.5 cents and 21 cents, and then a further breakout depending on the market. Now, I am more bullish on the markets than bearish, so I think ultimately a bullish breakout and a continuation higher is most likely, but wait for the market, all right? Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.